Hi, this is Grant, and welcome to Patrick Cadillac here in Schaumburg, Illinois. Today I'm going to go over and show you how to pair up your cell phone to the Cadillac products. We'll show you a Cadillac Escalade, Cadillac DTS, the new Cadillac SRX, and the Cadillac CTS, showing you how well the connectivity through Bluetooth works in our new cars. This is a 2011 Cadillac SRX equipped with the navigation system, and I'm going to show you how to pair up a Bluetooth phone. First, we want to have the vehicle in the accessory mode on, or the engine could be running. Next, we're going to go over here to the center stack, and we're going to find the configure button, select configure, and using the select menu knob, we'll scroll down to phone and select it. As you can see, it shows Bluetooth, and we can either hit the select knob or we can touch the screen, and it brings up a new menu. And at this point, we want to add new phone. So we'll scroll down to add new phone, select that.
Pair. Please start a search on your Bluetooth phone.
And at this point, we're going to follow the prompts. So I'm going to, this is a Verizon
Once the search is complete, select your vehicle on your phone and then enter the code 0840. Again, the code is 0840.
Okay, next we want to you want to use your phone, and all the phones are going to be a little bit different. So this happens to be a Samsung phone with Verizon, and I'm going to go after the tools box. So we select menu, go down to tool settings, and I'm going to scroll over here to Bluetooth menu, and it shows add new device. We're going to add that device, and we're in the discoverable mode. Turn that on, and now it's going to search for the vehicle. Now it says it's selected your vehicle. We're good with that. And at this point here, we'll go ahead and select that.
Unable to pair.
That's okay.
To try again, select your vehicle on your phone and then enter the code 0840. Again, the code is 0840.
So now we'll go ahead and select 0840 and hit OK.
Please say the name tag you want associated with this phone.
My cell phone.
About to store.
My cell phone.
Does that sound okay? Please say yes or no.
Yes. My cell phone.
Has been successfully paired. Returning to the Bluetooth settings menu. Bluetooth ready.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay, and now the phone has been paired up with the automobile, and at this point, the phone's ready to be used. So in this particular car, we can accept incoming phone calls at this point, and if an incoming call came in, we would select the top button on the steering wheel to accept that call, or the bottom part of the rocker switch on the far right to decline the incoming call. And when the call comes in, it'll show the caller ID phone number coming in, so you have an opportunity at that point to say, yes, I want to talk to that person, or to decline that call. To execute an outgoing call, I'm going to go back just to the standard radio, so you might be just listening to the radio and want to make a phone call. And at this point, in order to make a hands-free call, we're going to use the right button on the steering wheel. Press this briefly.
Please start speaking after the beep.
Hands-free.
Ready?
Dial.
Dial. Using
My cell phone.
Please say the name or number to call.
1-847-605-4000.
Okay, calling 1-847.
And it shows the number up on the screen.
4000.
And at this point, it's made the phone call. Now, another nice feature with this is to go ahead and store phone numbers and name tags into the car's own phone directory. And all the Cadillacs have the ability of storing 30 names in the automobile's directory. And we're going to use the button that's up on the rear view mirror. It's the far left button with the phone icon. Touch this, and I'm going to call out the command store and then follow the prompts. go ahead and watch.
OnStar ready.
Store.
Store. Please say the phone number you would like to store.
1-847-605-4000.
Please say the name tag. Avoid using a number as the name.
Patrick Cadillac.
About to store.
Patrick Cadillac.
Does that sound okay? Please say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Storing.
Patrick Cadillac.
Returning to the main menu. OnStar ready.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
And now we have Patrick Cadillac stored into the car's directory. And if we wish to call Patrick Cadillac, we don't need to remember the phone number any longer. Simply using the button on the steering wheel. Hands-free.
Ready?
Call Patrick Cadillac.
Okay. Calling.
Patrick Cadillac.
Using.
My cell phone. And it's using my phone to make this call through the Bluetooth connectivity. So, okay. Back in the Cadillac 2011 SRX, another really great feature, and this will work with most cell phones that have Bluetooth connectivity. The phone button over here to the far right on this row of switches, go ahead and select this, and up pops a brand new screen, and it shows my name up there, Grant, and because it's referencing my my Bluetooth telephone. And if I want to go down to select my phone book, we'll go ahead and highlight phone book and go ahead and select, and brings up a brand new screen. And I'm going to come down here, scroll down to P, Q, R, and S. That's my directory in my cell phone. And over here, as you can see, if I wanted to call Peter, one of my customers, I can go ahead and select that, and it'll bring up his phone number. And at this point, I would go ahead and select the selection knob or touch the screen, and it would execute the outgoing call. Kind of a really neat feature, and you can do this while you're driving in the vehicle. In addition, go back here a couple menus and go down to my call list, and most of our cell phones have this, where we can find out about all of our incoming calls, our outgoing calls, and then come down to what kind of calls did I miss today. So while I'm driving along, I don't need to dig in my pocket.